the firmware to the Fox 4 Hotel Whiskey November firmware. I think that's what it's called on the Quansheng. I call it a K6. Others call it a K99. Okay, I updated my firmware on the K6 to the F4HWN, whatever it is. I gotta find the menu setting. Invert. Looks really stupid with this color. Orange and the black overlay. Anyways, yeah. F4HWN 3.0. Hopefully that's the latest. Let me shut the camera off so I can focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, so here's something I thought was kind of cool. Low power setting, 125 milliwatts. You can make that even lower. 250 milliwatts, half a watt, 1 watt, or 20 milliwatts. Go to my All-Star node. Let's try that. Still looking for that reverse invert so I can change the screen back. Here to set invert on. Want it off. There we go. Much better. Wow. Thank you. Just like the Egzumer software, because this is the modification of it. Push the F5. Brings you into the mode. Squelch isn't quite working. Monitoring's not quite working as it should. I think it worked better in Egzumer, but I got short press F1 for monitor, long press F1 monitor. What the hell is going on? So, is it a bug? I have no idea. Didn't do anything. The squelch came on. And now the squelch is silenced. That's friggin' a pain in the ass. What the frig, man? Look at the instructions in French. Been a while. Button lateral, one tongue function. I don't get it. I don't see where the squelch is at. F-lock. It looks like he's got a bunch of things programmed in. You can set 200, 300, 500, 350 megahertz. Disable all. Unlock. Mic bar narrow. Okay, I want squelch so I can hear HF. This guy is great that he's working on this, but if there's no translation, DW code, encode DTMF, no, demodulator, no. Oh, come on, you gotta have squelch. I don't know what the hell I did. Accidentally pushed the push to talk. Up came the 4 things underneath, and the squelch broke. Definitely got some bugs. I think I'll go back to Egzumer software. In all honesty, there's not much that the F4HWN modification is going to do for me.
Good morning.
That the
11 a.m.
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo All-Star, link PL 173.8.
That's my All-Star node 42668. Ever want to chat, connect on in that node, or my hub 42282, or if you have DMR talk group over the road 3307 that my friend Travis is linked in. He's got a DMR bridge. Excuse me. Anyway, so yeah, there's not much it's going to do that the Egzumer version 0.0 or 0.22 doesn't do. One of the cool things is I can hit the function button, hit the up and down arrows. We're supposed to be able to lower or raise the squelch. I had to squelch 1, so that brought it to 0. Now we're back up to 1. Yeah, there's a cheat sheet you can find online, but really, there's not much it does that the Egzumer 0.0 doesn't do. You can see up top on the screen if I get this thing to focus. It's a CL, that's in classic line, AA1PR. Oops, I think it was in the wrong VFO. AA1PR testing. Thankfully, I only have the receive frequency in there, so I don't know where it was transmitting on 00000. But yeah, it shows me the mode now, FM, which it didn't do before. I'm a low one, which is 20 milliwatts. That's cool. I like that because I don't need more than 20 milliwatts to communicate with my all-star node throughout the house. I have squelch 1. I'm in narrow mode, so yeah, instead of showing the battery voltage, now I have a meter that shows it's a percentage, but I can always change that back. So anyways, you decide for yourself whether the Fox 4 Hotel Whiskey November is right for you or not. But for the few little features like the power super low setting at 20 milliwatts, I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and try it. My battery's going to last a lot longer. And you also got those icons 1, 2, and 3, and I can't remember if it's the asterisk button I push. You know, it says 2, 3. 2, 3, well, now it says 1 again. But I think I even had it showing 1, 2, 3. Let's go to VFO B. Push that. I was just going to start scanning again. Anyways, you guys decide. It's a cool mod to do. You get a couple features like the power setting and being able to control the squelch without having to go in the menu. That's cool. But other than that, you know, access HF, function 5, hit your frequency, dial in, tap to push to talk, break your squelch so you can hear something. Yeah, I don't know. Nothing's really changed. You just did a little bit of improvements on the Egzumer software, so take it for what it's worth. If you like it, use it. If you don't, you can always go back. Anyways, please like, share, subscribe. Hope everybody's doing well. Have the kindness of your heart to support this video. I have a couple different means below in the description box to help support me. Everything you see on this channel is bought and paid for me by myself. And if I ever get any support, I think I got some support or something once, I let you know in the video. But anyways, if you have any ideas for videos, let me know. 7-3, God bless, everybody be safe.